In today's video, I'll show you how to use Notion AI for personal journaling. We will start on our Notion Workspace page, and the very first thing we want to do is navigate to the top right corner and click on the blue New Page button. Once the fresh blank page opens up, click directly into the main body area where the command prompt text is visible. Now go ahead and type a / followed by data inline to pull up the inline database option, and click on Database, inline from the filtered results list. This will automatically open up a new Database AI prompt panel on the right side of your screen. Inside the text field where it asks what you want to build, type in Daily Journal for my everyday tasks and events, then press Enter or click the Generate arrow. Notion AI will now spend a few moments building out the structure for us, moving through loading, setting up properties, and updating everything automatically. Once it finishes generating, go over to the AI side panel and click on the Open Database button, then close the panel out to give yourself a full view of your clean new setup. Let's test it by clicking into the first row under the title column and typing Day 1. Next, move over to the date column, click the cell, and select June 24th, 2026 from the calendar dropdown. For the type column, click the field and select Event from the options. Then, move to the status column and mark this as In Progress. Under the tags column, click and select the work tag. Scroll over slightly to find the notes column, click inside and type notes here. To add a custom column, click the + property button, type Emotions as the property name, and click to add it. To adjust it, click the Emotions column header, select Change Type, and change it to Multi-Select. Finally, click into the Emotion cell, type Happy, hit Enter, click the 3 dots next to it, and select Yellow to give it a vibrant color. And that's it. That's how you use Notion AI for personal journaling.